Right. Let's do a more difficult example this time. Right. We have sine a 2x minus 15 degrees is equal to 0, 0.8. What do we do? First things first, we find our reference angle, which is going to be arc sine 0, 0.8. What do we get when we find arc sine 0, 0.8? We are going to find 53,130. Right. Then from there, we now have our reference angle. What do we need to check? We need to check the number after the equal sign. What do we have? Is this number positive or negative? 0, 0.8, as we can see here, it's a positive number. It's a positive number. So if it's a positive, we want to find the quadrant where sign is positive. The quadrants where sign is positive, we have here O and sine, tan, and cos. So using the cast method, we have O, the first quadrant, sine is positive. And the second quadrant, again, sine is positive. So we are going to work our answer using the first quadrant and the second quadrant. So what do we do? Whatever is in the first quadrant, our theta, we are going to replace our theta with the reference angle, Then we add 360 to this, 360 to this. So in other words, what am I going to say? We are going to say our 2x minus 15 is equal to, let's take the first quadrant. We replace with the reference angle. So we are going to be like this. Reference angle, we add 360k, like this, where k is an element of z. Then from there, what is our reference angle? Our reference angle is 53,130 plus 360k. We have 2x minus 15 this side. So what do? We can solve this. We can solve this using our calculators. We are now going to have minus 15. If it goes to this side, it's going to be 68. It's going to be 68,130 plus 360k. Then we have 2x minus, we have 2x only because we have taken a minus 15 to that side. Then we divide by 2. We divide by 2 so that we are left with x. X is equal to, if we divide by 2 here, it's going to be 34, 2 into 1. 2 into 1, it becomes what? Becomes 0 into 13. Let's just say 34,06 plus 180k, like this, where k is an element of z. So this is the solution, the first solution to this question. Then we have the second quadrant. The second quadrant, which have our 2x minus 15 is equal to 180 minus theta. So we are going to say 180 minus the reference angle plus 360k. So we are going to say 180 minus 53,130 plus 360k, where k is an element of z. So what are we going to say? 180 minus 53.33, 180 minus 53.13, we are going to get 126, 126,87. plus 360k. So now we have 2x minus 15. Let's take minus 15 to that side. It's going to be a positive. So we are going to have 141,87 plus 360k. Then we are left with 2x here. We divide by 2 both sides. X is equal to 70,9, let's just say 94 plus 360k, where k is an element of z. So these are the general solutions to this equation. So this is basically how we use the 4 quadrants to find the general solutions of any trigonometry. We should be able to use those 4 quadrants. Those are the ones which help us than this thing of saying you want to cram how to find the general solution of cos, of sine and tan. No, we just use the 4 quadrants here. They are there to help us.